If you want to destroy this country, just vote for the Republicans. If you are a Trump supporter from a rural area, you will no longer have a hospital. Okay? You probably already have a hard time going to whatever hospital that exists in your vicinity, but you're double now because now no more hospitals. If there was no hospitals in a 50-mile region, now there's no hospitals in a 100-mile region. And the ones that remain will unironically be swapped at all times. American healthcare already is one of the worst by every metric in comparison to comparable OECD states. American healthcare is unironically worse than much poorer countries that have nationalized systems. And it is going to get even worse now because these rural hospitals where Trump supporters live, in the areas that Trump supporters live, rely heavily on Medicaid. That is the only way that people can pay for it. Medicaid is the only way that people can pay for healthcare because these are places that are impoverished. Very poor people live in these places. So when there's no funding vehicle for these hospitals, when that expenditure is cut, they will no longer be, they won't be operating. They will not be able to operate. It's that simple. Why are Republicans killing their supporters? They don't care. They don't care because Republicans serve capital openly. But it didn't matter because there's a unlimited amount of stupid people in this country that'll still vote for the Republican Party.
When I saw the
60% of nursing homes income comes from Medicaid, by the way. They are melting the poor, the working poor, and the old. Okay, once again, they do not care. Once again, 50% of individuals over the age of 75 and 2/3 of those over 85 are on Medicaid. 60% of all nursing home residents receive care funded by Medicaid. Long-term nursing home care is funded by Medicaid, okay? These are people who have Medicare, but also in order to get the proper funding for long-term nursing home care, they get Medicaid. What do we do with the old people? Do we just kill them? Do we just melt them? What are they going to do? I mean, this is once again more impactful than 100 9/11s, okay? This is the onion joke about, Osama bin Laden just kicks back. Al-Qaeda just kicks back and watches America collapse in and of itself. This is why I've also said, if you want to truly destroy the country, doing a 9/11 is not the most effective measure. Just fund the Republican Party, the number one terrorist entity on the planet. Number two is the Democrats, for sure, okay? But number one is still the Republicans. If you want to destroy this country, just vote for the Republicans. That's it. If you want to destroy the planet, vote for the Republican Party. Number one terrorist of all time, okay? Number one at terrorism. Number one at melting the working class. Number one at doing giant redistribution policies for the tippy top of American society.